We have to barbecue roasted pork. Oh, si Ate Sara. Hello, good evening everybody. Oh, ang bota na diri. Lagi sa barbecuehan, karinderya.
Dili ka kay dili na mag-vlog na.
Oh.
Okay,
Diri sa vlog.
kami gadi diri sa ko my sister.
Sister o vlog ko.
Ano man ay?
Dara among sinugba. Hello. Hello everybody. Diri mo diri sa Nikki Eatery.
We are
Nikki
located at
Eatery.
Nikki Eatery here in
Nikki-
Nicolan, Davao City.
Located in Ikulan, Davao City, guys. If you want to have this order barbecue,
Order for this
napay salay pa nga.
grill.
Grilled pa nga, grilled pork. Oh, grilled belly pork. Nakinilaw ito, guys. Fish. Tara. Mga tuna, sinugbang baboy. Oh, sinugbang pork. Pork chop. Oh, one special kind of meat. Good meat. Soft siya. Plus A na meat niya siya. Yes. Oh. Roasted grilled pork. Di Facebook, ano na ko. Lagi 1 week daw na ano. Facebook for kuan ako guys for monetization. So I tried to upload a video. Inspiring videos. Oh, we're cooking here pork. Grilled pork. Here grilled pork here. Grilled pork.
Yeah.
Here. Our chef cook here. Oh. Master chef na mo. Sa among grilled barbecue. What time mag-start kasi? 5 p.m. Here at Nikki Eatery. Located here, Ikulan, Davao City. If you want try to visit our grilled pork, guys, come and visit here. It's the best. Ano man ang mga vlogs na recommendation ba para masikat man po sa tingin. Ani aso dito yung vlog for barbecuehan like grilled pork. Bali-bali na ang grilled pork. Asan? Mato ako atin. Here our cook ready to serve. Guys, it's ready to serve ang grilled pork.
Okay, wapa mo guding kapalit. Plastic one.
You can mix both here, cucumber. Palita mo sinog ba guys diri ha sa Ikulan, Nikki Eatery. You can put here cucumber, lemon. There's a chili, if you need chili. Yeah, here. Here's the finished product. And look at this. Nanay, good evening, Nay. Nanay will serve also here. Napatay mani diri guys. Dami na yung mani, peanuts here. This is all by my friend, Nasa there's a lot of foods here. Nay, paksiw na bangus. Guys, look at the paksiw na bangus. Very delicious. Like this. Ano paksiw na bangus. Kasi ako kanon ga. Located here at Nikki Eatery, Ecoland, Davao City. Here yes. Here. And you can see buses here. Oh, running buses. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Sit, diba? And we will come back to our grilled pork area. It's cooked. Lagi pwede everyday mo vlog gitu. Kay mag-upload lagi daw everyday upat na ka video ay 4 videos na sa FB Barrel. Para masweldohan ito, okay? I-monetize na niya. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Oh, gini monitor gay ko. Monitoring system na gaya na. Oh, there's buses there. Sa near to cook na siya, guys. Oh, amo ang grilled pork. Malapit na siya maluto. Near to cook. It's already cooked or near to cook. Smoky na siya barbecue, pork barbecue. Smoky pork barbecue.